I would be livid. I don't know what Dior was smoking, okay? They were high as fuck. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. I know I haven't uploaded a couple of videos in like some time, but it's okay, we're back. It is I, Adeela. Nice to meet you. If you're new to my channel, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So for today's video, as you can see by the title, I would like to talk about something rather shocking in my opinion. Let's start this video. The whole kerfuffle, I say kerfuffle, it's just a kerfuffle in my brain really, nobody else's, I think. So what's happened is we're aware that Dior had the Micro Vanity, which is kind of similar to LV's niece Nano. And originally this item was priced at $2,500, okay, $2,500, which if you ask me was terribly, awfully priced, okay? Like it was way overpriced in my opinion. It was not worth $2,500. Yes, it was, I believe, a full lambskin leather, but still, for that micro mini little situation, Chanel's minis don't even cost that much. So who in their right mind do Dior think they are to charge those prices? Just yesterday, they reduced the price to $1,650, which is quite a decline right there. It's quite drastic, honestly. It's not even like by $200. Excuse me. It's a decrease, like way down there. Now, point number one, if I bought that piece at $2,500, pre-tax by the way, I would be fuming. I would be fuming. If I'd already bought that piece, I would be livid. It's like, I can't even. I would not imagine that the brand would then reach out to the people that bought it at $2,500 and give them their money back. If Dior did do that, I can't say whether they did or they didn't. I cannot speak on that fact. But for those individuals, I am praying and hoping for you that Dior did in fact give you that money back, which I highly doubt, but let's be optimistic. My thoughts. I think it's fabulous. I think it's courageous. I think more brands should do this because let's be honest, a lot of items that are priced at their prices are ridiculous prices. And I feel like at least they had the courage to say, you know what, we up, okay, like we messed up, we overpriced this thing. They can obviously see that inventory is not going anywhere and they're stuck with warehouses full of vanity, micro, whatever it's called. Because essentially all this tells us is if they kept it at $2,500, just hurting their own margin, it tells me that those pieces were just not selling due to that price point, which honestly I completely understand because even I would have paid that. I mean, I don't know who I am, but you get my point. It's definitely something that needed to happen. I personally think other brands should do that. How it then affects the consumer who's already bought the item, I can't speak to that because that's annoying. Maybe they could do like a 30-day price match guarantee. Maybe that's a thing. I don't know. But honey, I'm telling you, these prices that are coming out here are just way beyond. Especially for such a small mini vanity. It's kind of, it was bonkers in the first place. That is that. I mean, I don't know. I haven't seen any other pieces on there that were decreased like that. If you are aware of any, then definitely let us all know in the comments down below. Would love to see what other pieces and maybe some of the pieces that you may have bought recently decreased. I'm not sure, but that is the only one that I noticed. And it's quite shocking. It is. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. I think it's a good thing. I think it's a good thing. And I like that the brand honoured that. Like, I like the brand thought, you know what, oh, this is way over margin. Realistically, it should be charged at $1,650. So let's change that real quick. If you look at LV and you look at Chanel in comparison and you look at their little mini vanities, I feel like that Dior price kind of sits much better now because let's be honest, if you're picking out of Dior, unless you just love Dior as a fashion house, you're most likely going to steer towards the Chanel small vanity, or the mini vanity, you know, the one that's similar in size to the micro, because I mean, now I think that is 1,800, I think, because that had a price increase recently as well. I don't know what Dior was smoking, okay? They were high as fuck when they did that pricing, because yeah. Okay, so if you were ever thinking about that Dior bag, the micro mini vanity, then definitely now is a chance to snag one up. The mini bag thing, I think, is still thriving, it's still a thing, and I don't see it going anywhere this year. And it's actually cheaper than the Chanel one now, so I'm sure they will see more sales driving up their way in terms of the mini bag. That was a super quick video. Let me know your thoughts down below. I am very interested to have this conversation with you guys, so make sure you comment down below. If you're new to my channel, then again, please do consider subscribing. If you enjoyed this video, then definitely give it a thumbs up. Help me out with this algorithm, and I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye.